So when using tools such as the Planex, your arms and back and neck can get very tired very quickly. This is where the exoskeleton from Festool really comes into its own. Now let's have an unboxing and a quick overview on how to fit the exoactive from Festool. So it comes in this polystyrene flight case spot. So you get two 4Ah batteries, the TCL6 18V standard charger, the shoulder strap for moving the box around, and also the wash bag for doing the carry straps, etc. So we need to get a base for the actual fitting. First off, move the back down using the green tab. Numbers will be shown, these are great for reference. Slide the arms out, again these are numbered so we can go back to the same setting later. And last off is the arms. Click the battery in at the base of the back. A 4A battery will typically give you 1.5 to 5 hours runtime. So on the chest controls we have the pause button in case you want to do the motor. The Bluetooth button, this is so you can connect it to the Festool app and upload the software if required. And this also unclips for ease. So I'm at Power Tools Centre Liverpool, which is one of the dedicated exoactive specialist fitting centres. I'm here with Jordan.
Hello.
And he's going to show me how to put on the exoactive and he's going to fit it to me specifically. Easier said than done.
Yeah. Give you a little hand there. You want to jump it up on your hips, and you've got these little hip straps here. So give it a little bit of a jump, and what you want it to do, you want it to be sitting on top of your hips, not on, well, sort of on par, not below, on top, so that's carrying your weight. Next I want you to do, give another little jump up and pull these little straps down so that it's over your back, not leaning back off you. It's not going to support your weight at all. So jump up, pull down, perfect. Exactly. Now we've got these little chest straps here, so he's going to pop that in and pull that, and that just keeps it tight to your chest so that you're not overexerting, and again stops it falling back and pulling you in the wrong place. Arms in and adjust that section. So you've got these little green toggles here, and you've got a little black catch. You're going to throw that over into the corner here and let that magnetic clip little sit in place for you, and you're going to pull this to tighten it. Once it's nice and tight, it's not going to move around, it's going to support you in the right places. So that is now fitted. Shall we turn it on? I'm going to hold the power button on your remote control here. So now we've got our different options here. You've got your gauge of range, so you're going to go from here to here, here to here, or here to here, or the fourth option, from here all the way up. So for the sake of it, let's just put it on the maximum setting, which is indicated by all 4 bars lifted here. I'm going to adjust our strength. So put that onto the max strength, and you'll see this little radial getting brighter as well. So as we now lift off our arms, you'll notice the suit will begin to kick in and lift up your arms for you, and take off the weight. Is that comfortable? Is the arms lifting up or lifting out?
So that feels to me that the arms are too long. It feels like it's more of a forearm rather than giving me support on the arm.
Okay, so let's adjust it slightly. We're going to take this up 1, so let's try you on a setting number 2. Is that supporting your arms in the right place?
Yes.
And are your arms lifting up or out?
Lifting out a little bit.
Okay, so let's adjust the shoulders. So if you turn around for me, we're just going to fine tune this in. So we'll go, we'll try 2, why not? So 1, 2. So now your arms lifting directly up or out?
It feels that my arms are going forwards,
yeah,
in a straight line, and they're nicely supported, especially if you're going to be working overhead with something such as the Planex. So with my shoulder injuries, I would not have been able to lift up that weight without the use of the exoskeleton. Any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching.